Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to unbox this Anker soundcore boost speaker. Okay, so guys, this is a 20 watts speaker and it is fully waterproof and it offers playtime up to 12 hours as written on the box. So guys, while I'm opening it, I would like to tell you, like, I paid about 18 Omani reals for it and I got it from Amazon.ae. So guys, now let us open it and see what comes in the box. Okay, so this is the first thing. So I think it is the charging cable. Okay, so I think it comes with type C charging cable. Yes, so type C charging cable, and once fully charged, so it offers the play time up to 12 hours. Now let us take it out. So guys, this is Anker sound core. Okay, so guys, while I'm holding it, it weighs around 250 to 300 grams and it has this rubberized body. Okay, and it has a fiber liner. Okay, so this speaker, it comes with this titanium drivers and the equalizers are fully customizable on this speaker, and it has this bass boost button also, and on the side you can see there is a rubber loop which you can pull out and you can plug in your USB and you can plug in your type C cable for charging. Okay, so guys, as I told you, this is fully waterproof. It is very handy, very portable. You can take it outdoors, okay, for your picnics and stuff like that. So, and before I end this video, I'll connect it to my tablet and we will play some royalty free music on it so that you can have some idea about the sound quality. So guys, I paired it with my tablet. Now let us play some music on it so that you can have the idea about the quality of the sound it produces. So here we go. So guys, that's all for today. Soon we'll be doing the detailed review of this particular speaker, like the waterproof testing and all that. And guys, all of you, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, and all of you, thanks for watching and stay tuned.